Hi, welcome back to a new episode on my channel. This episode is different that I want to make because yesterday I wanted to drive to work with my motor, and when I started it gave a constant beep, and the Rollock system will not disengage. I cannot drive it. What I think, a few things can be wrong. When I take off the cover, there was a lot of moist under here, so there can be some moist in the connectors. But the first thing that we check, the battery. When the battery is low on the Piaggio, all the systems are not working correctly, and they're giving a little bit of error. So what I will do first is checking the voltage of the battery when the motorcycle is off, and then we start it, and we will look if the correct voltage is charging the battery. When that's good, we will check in the front. There is a little bit of oil in there. When the oil is low, then the problem is the pressure in the system is not good, and it gives the same alarm. And when that is also good, then we go checking all the connectors. In the front, there is one connection by the wheels. There are two sensors, and in my seat is a sensor. But when I'm sitting on the seat, my light on the dash is turning off. When I'm standing up, the light's coming on. So I know the sensor in the seat is working correctly. So let's check out the voltage and continue from there. So now we have checked the battery. We know it's good, it's fine. Now we must look in the system. The other thing what can be wrong is there is a little tank here, and there is .4 oil in. And when it's low, it will give the same problem. So let's do a little bit of camera magic and take out of the front. So if you can see, in the reservoir is enough .4 oil, so that's not the problem. So what I will think is, in here is some moisture is coming, or here in front at the wheel sensors, that there's some moisture is coming in for the speed sensor. So I will clean this out, and the other side too, and clean this top one, and then see if the problem will be solved. So I will start with this top one. I don't think some moisture has come inside this, but to rule it out, I will check it. So let's take off this clip. If you can see inside here, I will try to zoom in. So this now clean out. So let's see the wheel sensors. I don't think you can see it on camera, but let's try. This is a little bit dirty and it looks like a little bit moisture in here. So I will clean this out and clean the other side out and then see if they will fix the problem. This is also a little bit dirty. So let's spray this in and clean this out. And this stuff is also preventing from moisture to get inside. It protects it. So So I just took the motorcycle on a test drive and it's working great again. The problems was moist in the sensors of the wheels. I clean them out, I spray them in so the moist cannot come in anymore, and that's working great. What I mentioned on my channel, what I'm seeing is a lot of people are watching, they are not subscribed to my channel. My goal is to get 1000 subscribers to my channel. So please subscribe, it's free, it costs you nothing. Please subscribe, put post notifications on so you don't miss out on anything. If you like this episode, please give a thumbs up so I know you like this kind of content. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.